આજે અમારા સુરતભાઈનો 9મી સપ્ટેમ્બર 9/9 બર્થડે. સોળમી સપ્ટેમ્બરે મેં ઇન્ડિયાથી ભણવા માટે અમેરિકા આવવા માટે 1966માં ટ્રાવેલ કરેલું. આઈ લેફ્ટ એક અઠવાડિયા પછી, આજે 9મી પછી અઠવાડિયા પછી 16મી. પછી બધે જોબ કરીને એ જ 16મી સપ્ટેમ્બરે એબટમાં ચાલુ કરી 1976, 10 વર્ષ પછી. It was amazing, that it was same date. So month of September is very, memorable month, हमारा सूरत भाई दास काकाना ફેમિલીના દાસ કાકાનું ફેમિલી એટલે ખૂબ સત્સંગની સેવાઓ કરવાવાળું ફેમિલી. શરૂઆતમાં એમની ઉપાસના ગાયત્રીની હતી દાસ કાકાની. એમને ત્યાં શ્રીરામ શર્માના રિપ્રેઝેન્ટેટિવ તરીકે એક લોકેશ કરીને આવતા. તે વખતે અમારા રશ્મિભાઈ, હરીશભાઈ, વિભાબેન બધા બહુ નાના નાના હતા. અને 1981માં કાકાજીના આશીર્વાદથી સત્સંગમાં એમની એન્ટ્રી થઈ. પછી 1984માં મને લાગે છે મેરેજ કરવા ગયા પપ્પાની. 1984માં ઇન્ડિયા. તો પછી શિલ્પાબેનની સાથે એનું નક્કી થયું ને પછી 1985માં જ્યારે અહીં આવ્યા તે વખતે કાકાજીના બી દર્શન શિલ્પાબેને બી કરેલા, ઓર મમ્મીએ બી, રશ્મિભાઈ ને બધાએ. દેટ વોઝ ધી લાસ્ટ વિઝિટ ઓફ કાકાજીનો. પછી અમારા સુરતભાઈનો બર્થ વિચ યર બેટા? 1986માં ને? 1986માં. And that was in India, right? Or America? અમેરિકામાં બોર્ન થયેલા અને પછી ઇન્ડિયા ગયેલા નહીં? Yeah. So 1986 is another memorable year, that Kakaji's and Kanti Kaka's departure, and Triveni Sangam, we had Asthi Visarjan on that year, So Surat Bhai was well taken care by the parents, and grandparents. Both sides grandparents. And very religious minded. Even Pushpaba and Raman Dada also, very religious, Pushpaba was more praying in Mataji, I think, right? She was worshipping Amba Mata. But when they came in our satsang and they liked our satsang and they, made satsang their priority, આજે બી અમારા સુનિલભાઈ ને એમની મોટેલ ઉપર બી આટલા બધા આપણા મંડળ બધું ગયું છે, બધાને સરસ રીતે આનંદ કરાવે છે. આજે હમણાં બી એક ભજન સંધ્યા ચાલે છે એમની ત્યાં એક. કાલે 2 ભજન સંધ્યાઓ થઈ, 2 મહાપૂજાઓ થઈ. આજે બી એક મહાપૂજા અને 2 ભજન સંધ્યા થઈ. કાલે બી એક ભજન સંધ્યા અને એક મહાપૂજાનો એવો કંઈક પ્રોગ્રામ છે. ના, કાલે એ લોકો આર્ક જોવા જવાના છે, સેન્ટ લુઈસ આર્ક. અને પછી પાછા વળતા આપણા ભાવિન અને જયંતિભાઈને ત્યાં મહાપૂજા છે. એટલે they are enjoying there, you know. So, whole family, you know, in Das uncles and Ramanbhai's side is very much into our satsang, you know. And that makes a big difference, you know, in the house, in the family, and around, you know, the whole circle. અમારો નાનો વિરાટ છે એ બી યુનો મને ફોન કરે, એક સરસ વાત વાંચે કોઈ બાપ્સમોની, પછી અમે ધૂન કરીએ. આટલો નાનો છે પણ કલાક સવા કલાક ધૂન કરવી હોય તો એને he is not tired, you know. So those are the good qualities, you know. So 1986 થી તે 3 વર્ષ તું ઇન્ડિયા રહેલો બેટા? 4 years. So about 1990-91 time frame, you know, સુરતભાઈ અમેરિકા શિકાગો આવ્યા અને પછી he was going to school and then coming in satsang from the parents, and then got interest, inclination, you know, in joining the satsang also, you know. Both brothers, you know, Sahishnu and Suratbhai, you know, they were coming, you know. આપણી શિબિરો હોય ત્યાં બધે બી, you know, they would come, you know. And then when Suratbhai was graduated, I think, in the high school and then went to college, that's when he got more into our sadhak bhaios activities, and he liked the satsang, and he also decided that I want to become a sadhak. That year was 2010? Okay, 11. 2010, yeah. So, our sadhak bhaiyo had started, you know, this sadhak group and nucleus from 1998, 1999 time frame maybe, right? So it was really very nice group and very good, you know, environment. And even though those who were not maybe wanting to become sadhak, but they have come to our mandir here in, you know, D Road or here, stayed here, they have that flavor, you know, they have that inside, you know, lightning, you know, that this is the life, you know, this is the way we should, you know, elevate to ourselves, you know. And from the time of Swaminarayan Bhagavan, you know, this process of becoming Brahmarup in the service of Parabram has really picked up a lot of momentum, you know. There are so many families, so many sadhus, so many, you know, brahmacharis. They have really done a very good job, you know. Sometimes I think to myself, you know, that if I would not have come in touch with Kakaji, you know, what would have been the life in America, you know. I mean, I was doing religious activities, you know. સવારે, you know, ભગવાનની પૂજા કરવી, ભગવાનને નવડાવવાના, દોડાવવાના, સરસ કંઈક વાંચવાનું, એવું, you know. I had that habit from home, you know, when I was like 5-6 years old, you know. But this country has a lot of different spinning off potentiality or problems, So, Kakaji came in the life and made a big change, And I remember, that in the beginning, Kakaji used to come, we used to go around, But to understand the depth and greatness of Kakaji was on a, rising curve, but it wasn't there from day one, Because, I read those letters that Kakaji had written when we were together, to India and London and other places. And the depth of those letters, were, not in my thinking or not absorbed, Now, the letters were written and I was not reading those letters when they were sent out, But the way Kakaji was sending out those messages, that depth, came later on and slowly, So I think it is a process, In the time of Swaminarayan Bhagavan also, people did not understand Swaminarayan Bhagavan in the beginning. In the time of Gunatitanand Swami, they did not understand Gunatitanand Swami. And in the same way, in the time of Bhagatji Maharaj, Jaga Swami, Krishnaji Das, Shastriji Maharaj, Yogiji Maharaj, Kakaji and all, it was a process, that more and more we get into that, more and more we know, More and more we appreciate, And I remember, that Kakaji told me one time that if you do one mada, then it is equal to 100,000 mada of others. તમારી એક માળા તો બીજાની 1,00,000 માળા. તે વખતે કાકાજીએ કહ્યું તે વખત મને તો એવું નહીં લાગ્યું કે ભાઈ કાકાજી શું આશીર્વાદ આપી રહ્યા છે. But today I realize, that liking to do dhoon, doing mada and all that, and everybody, also enjoying doing dhoon together with me or themselves, is telling, that yes, Kakaji knew that, that maybe this is the roadway, that would make so many elevate to that level, Whatever mada I am doing, I hope that I am making Kakaji happy to give the fruit of 100,000 mada that he has, blessed. But we all want to do that, It's not just me, આપણે એવી ભાવનાથી, એવી ઇન્ટેન્સિટીથી પ્રભુને માળા કરવી છે, રાજી કરવા છે કે આપણે એક સ્વામિનારાયણ બોલીએ તો લાખ વખત સ્વામિનારાયણ કોઈ બોલતા હોય એટલું આપણને અંદરથી ફળ મળે. So, those are the things, that really created a big, powerful, satsang activity in our this Chicago Mandal, And all of the, brothers, they did their seva, they did, lot of participation. We have a lot of books, publications, and a lot of, kakaji.org information and all that, is done by this, youngsters, So, one thought I had that we were talking yesterday about, that Friday Sabha thing, that why don't we involve our high schoolers to do something that can maybe make them also interested and, focused, So one thought I had was that on Friday Sabha, maybe we assign among the high schoolers, and maybe we want to put the demarcation that those who are from 9th grade and above could join with our regular Friday Sabha, If they don't want to, they can go to, the kids Sabha if they want to also. But we give that option to them that if they want to, they can come and join with us on our regular Sabha. And we want to make them now involved, we want to make them participant into this, our Friday activity. And what I can maybe suggest is that one Friday, let's say we select one youngster, to take care of all the other youngster kids, on that particular Friday. Give a task, that let's say Smruti, हमारा घनश्याम uncle ni Smruti hai, right? So we tell her that Smruti Ben, this Friday is your duty to take care of all these 8th grade and below youngsters wherever they go, participate with them, and take care of them and select maybe one or two out of them as your close buddies, and or a close mentor, you become a mentor of them, and select one or two, and do that part, as that Friday. Next Friday, Smruti Ben would come prepared for a 15 minutes of a topic that she would maybe give a topic discussion for 15 minutes. Out of that 5 minutes, we want to have for Kakaji, Papaji, Shatabdi related thing, whatever suggestion, whatever participation, whatever, they want to do, And 10 minutes maybe they can talk about a topic, either a Vachnamrut, Swamini Vato, Shikshapatri, Jivame Nirkhyare, Patra Sanjeevani, Divine Touch, or anything, that interests them, any topic, So they can give us 15 minutes of their participation. So now the next Friday when Smruti Ben is doing this 15-minute talk, another high schooler will do the babysitting that Smruti Ben had done the previous Friday. So we would have a link, that Smruti Ben would do babysitting first Friday, next Friday she would do the discourses, and then the third Friday we would have she would give that Friday discourse that was given to the youngsters, go to the youngster Sabha and give whatever she talked, on this Friday, because youngsters would be gone, So there are 3 different Fridays, each particular person will be involved, and that cycle will keep going, and we can make maybe little schedule or something, and even ask them what topic maybe they would like to talk on, maybe, if we want to help them, we can help them, But I think if we make them participant in this way, maybe it would make our Friday Sabha a little bit different and enlightened, maybe, So that is one thought, that maybe, I have, that we can, and it's not a same way, I mean, this is just idea, but we can, do something similar to that, So they have 1 week or even more, to prepare on the topic, and then they come and give that topic discussion, and then next Friday they come and, repeat that, so it will become part of them also, that thing, Now at the same time, we can enhance that, that whatever the talk and discussion that particular person has given, somebody can maybe help and support how to do it even better than what they have done, Give some suggestions, idea or guidance, Because every individual would have a different style, different approach, different, way of doing. So if that makes some sense, then maybe, our kids will again, participate and pick up the momentum. The other thing what I'm thinking is that maybe Ketan Bhai and Pinky Ben were thinking, to have their daughter, Brahmi, go at Friday Sabhas, Swamiji Sabhas group for 1 or 2 times and see how they are doing, Now, if somebody knows that, and if we want to, learn something from them also, maybe we should do and, import that part also, and have, little advancement, in our satsang activities. So, some of those thoughts, that just came, when I was thinking, that our Bhaiyo has done, from 1998 to this time, and maybe we can have another, group momentum picked up, and not necessarily that we would ask them to become sadhak, If they want to become sadhak, that's fine and well, we will help them and guide them, But at least they become participant in our activities, and our activities can grow, And then that would draw more youngsters maybe, and that would bring, again, the more momentum into the, group maybe. But coming back to our Surat Bhai, that in 2010, then Surat Bhai decided that he wants to, participate as a sadhak. He came as a sadhak, and he did, a lot of supports and activities, and computer related and other, programs and other things. And it became, a very nice, base for him, And then to become stronger from within, from his mind, that this satsang has taught, to learn the values and to learn the, higher level of thinking, And then ultimately we have to go to the level where we want to think ourselves as Brahmarup, And everywhere in Vachanamrit if you go, Swaminarayan Bhagavan has put that emphasis, everywhere, that we have to start changing our thinking, Just like we think that I am Dinkar, I am Suhrad, I am Ketan Bhai, I am Pintu Bhai, that program is within us. So we have to put this program, new program, that I am Brahmarup, I am Atma, I am Akshar, And if we keep practicing that, then our body consciousness, our impurities of body will also drop away, But there are certain strong mental, behaviors that I am seeing, in Surat Bhai that makes him unique, and different from others, Something once he decides, that he would do something, or dedicate something, then he would, try to work at it, and try to be, sincere to that, That sincerity is a very key thing, And we are all very happy and proud of, Surat Bhai, and we want to help and guide and support, whatever way he would like to grow, and whatever way he wants to, support and help in the satsang, So, beta, we are very happy about your birthday and very happy about, all these things you have provided and given, beta. One thing is that in our satsang we want to be active, જેટલા આપણે વધારે એક્ટિવ રહીશું એટલા આપણને બીજા વિચારો મોડા વિચારો આવતા ઓછા થઈ જશે. આપણે આપણું સ્કેડ્યુલ ને આપણી એક્ટિવિટી એટલી બધી ફૂલ રાખવાની, Even at this stage, I, from the, well, first of all, I run the Dhoon almost 24 hours, So at least there is a focus, There is always some Dhoon is imbibing in ourselves, And the moment I wake up in the morning, I start reciting, scriptures, Surat Bhai has given me about 20-25 different books in the iBooks, So I selected about 8 of them, because, if it is too many, then I don't get time, But if it is too little, then it is, also not healthy, So I thought maybe 8 books, that I'll pick, So morning I wake up, right in the bathroom I start reading, Vachanamrut. And I read, Gadrap middle 33, By the way, tomorrow is the day that Vachanamrut was given by Swaminarayan Bhagwan. Shravan Vadi Teras. Today is Baras, tomorrow is Teras. That is the day Swaminarayan Bhagwan gave that Vachanamrut in 1880, So, I read Vachanamrut, I read Swamini Vato, I read about 20 some Vato, every morning. Then I read Sikshapatri, I read about 15-20 sloks. Then I do my exercise and other things, Then I go, we do satsang. Then we go to, office. Right away in the office, we have that satsang activity, dhoon and everything going. Go to the office and start, opening up the websites of darshan, daily darshan, And with the feeling that, it is so nice and fortunate that we can visit all over the world, the different Swaminarayan mandirs, And at the time when I see the mandir, I feel that how many devotees would have seen, let's say in Africa, in Nairobi. When I open up those mandirs, I say, hey Maharaj, કેટલા બધા devotees તો આવ્યા હશે. એ બધા devotees તમારી સાથે કેવા ભાવથી દર્શન કર્યા હશે. એમાંનો અમને પણ કંઈક ભાવ તમે આપજો. એ devoteeનું પણ તમે ભગવાન રૂડું કરજો. So with that feeling, I go up to all the way up to noon, ઓફિસમાં હમણાં કામ છે જ નહીં. આજે જ અમારા બોસે 2 પ્રોજેક્ટ આપ્યા મને કે હવે તમારા 3 મહિના બાકી છે 2 પ્રોજેક્ટ કરીને જાઓ. ને અત્યાર સુધી છેલ્લા 6 મહિનાથી લીલા લહેર હતી. અને થશે પ્રોજેક્ટો બી દાબાતનો ખેલ. પણ 12 વાગ્યા સુધી just get engrossed, In the middle, if the phone call comes or if somebody has some problem or whatever, that also participate. અને પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે એટલે એક પ્રેક્ટિસ જ પાડી છે કે ભાઈ તમે પ્રોબ્લેમ લઈને આવ્યા છે તો અમે તમને ભગવાન આપવા માગીએ છીએ, એટલે એને ધૂન કરાવડાવીએ છીએ, 2 મિનિટ 5 મિનિટ જેટલો ટાઈમ હોય એટલી ધૂન કરાવડાવીએ તો એટલો એને અંદરથી બી આનંદ આવે. And then in the afternoon, I read remaining, 5-6 જે બીજા બાકીના રહ્યા છે ચેપ્ટરો એ વાંચીએ, બીજા વિડીયો જોઈએ, So whole day, you want to be totally into this. Just like કોઈ ધંધો લઈને બેઠા હોય, તો ધંધામાં કેટલા બધા ખોવાઈ જાય, ધંધાની અંદર એને બીજો ટાઈમ જ ના દેખાય, એમ આપણે પણ જો આ ધંધો લઈને બેસીએ તો ભ્રમરૂપ થતાં વાર ના લાગે. અને પછી આપણી અંદરની જે ઇમ્પ્યોરિટીઝ છે બધી ડ્રોપ આઉટ થઈ જાય. અમુક જે સટલ સ્ટ્રોંગ પ્રોગ્રામો છે એ બી વીક થઈ જાય પહેલાં અને પછી ડ્રોપ આઉટ થઈ જાય. કાકાજીએ પણ આ ટેકનિક બતાવી છે. કાકાજી પોતે પણ એવું જીવ્યા છે. પોતે ધંધો હતો પણ જ્યારે સમાધિ થઈ પછી બધું જ સેકન્ડરી કરી દીધું. યોગીજી મહારાજ એમની આજ્ઞા એમને જ રાજી કરવા છે. ધેર વોઝ પ્રાઇમરી. સો we all have this golden opportunity, to elevate ourselves. And whatever time and whatever, dedication and energy and effort we put, that is how much we would benefit. પણ મહારાજ તો દયાળુ જ છે. એ તો આપણને આપતા જ રહેવાના છે. અને આપણી સાયકલ જો આ વખતે પૂરી ના થઈ તો પાછા ફરીથી બી મોકો આપશે એનો. પણ આપણે આ વખતે જ સાયકલ પૂરી કેમ ના કરવી? દેટ શુડ બી અવર ગોલ. અને એવો પ્રોગ્રામ જો ખરેખર ફિટ કરીશું તો મહારાજ આપણને ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ લઈ જશે. આજે સરસ બેટા તમારા બર્થડે ઉપર એવી પ્રાર્થના કરીએ, પિન્ટુભાઈની બી ભાવના છે કે અંદરથી આપણને એવી અચાનક લાગે કે બસ કરી લેવું. અને કરવા જેવું વાત છે બેટા. બીજું બધું તો જેટલા ખેંચાઈશું દુનિયામાં એટલા લફરા જ છે. પણ આપણને ઘણી વખત અજ્ઞાનમાં એ મજા આવતી હોય એટલે એ છોડવાનું મન ના થાય. પણ જો સમજીએ અને છોડીશું તો આપણું જ સરસ રૂડું થવાનું છે બેટા. આજે અમારા વિમલ કુમારને એમીબેનનો બી એનિવર્સરીનો દે 2000થી તે 2015 15 વર્ષ થયા એમને. Yeah. I remember when she wanted to get married was 9/9/1999. But that did not work out, so it happened 9/9/2000, you know. And she liked number 9, you know, somehow. And they both have done a lot of seva in our satsang. Vimal Kumar, you know, he was non-Gujarati type, non-Hindi type, you know, and mainly London type English, you know. But he came in the beginning, you know, and participated and joined in a lot of dramas, you know, and did a lot of goodies, you know. And today also, you know, he is helping a lot, you know, in different ways. Those who have some medical problem, you know, then in his place he is making arrangements and appointments and things like that. આપણા પ્રકાશભાઈના બા માટે બી કંઈક ત્યાં ઓપરેશનનું કંઈક ગોઠવ્યું છે અને કોઈ એવા સારા એક્સપર્ટ ન્યુરોલોજિસ્ટની સાથે એપોઇન્ટમેન્ટો ગોઠવાવીને બધું કરે છે. સો ઇટ્સ વેરી નાઇસ, યુ નો. એન્ડ એમી ઓલ્સો, યુ નો, શી ઇઝ very happy to help and dedicated, you know. So we pay for all of them that they do more seva, do more satsang and find more time to come, you know. I had asked to come today, maybe she may have come there, you know. So that is our prayer today, beta, for all of you. Sajanand Swami Maharaj ni Jai Jai Jai.